Banks today reopened after a 3-day holiday, and one could see people rushing across the country for cash and standing in long queues. At several places, queues were formed outside bank branches as early as 6 in the morning. People have also been complaining about receiving only the 2,000 denomination notes from banks and even ATMs. Ironically, while the common man continues to stand in lines to withdraw a limited amount of their hard-earned money, over 160 crore rupees in new currency has been recently seized in raids across the country.
We are at Sector 17 in Chandigarh. This is called a bank square. Banks are opening after a gap of 3 days. The demonetization drive has caused a lots of slowdown, and even a common man is also feeling the pinch. Let us go across to the people and find out. सर, आपका नाम क्या सर? आप क्या करते हैं सर?
मैं एम्प्लॉई हूँ, गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉई।
कौन सा, हरियाणा या पंजाब? पंजाब का। अच्छा, ये बताइए कि आप गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉई है, सैलरी को मिले हो काफ़ी दिन हो गए, अभी तक पूरी सैलरी निकाल पाए?
नहीं।
और 3 दिनों के बाद बैंक खुल रहे हैं, क्या तकलीफ आप महसूस कर रहे हैं?
खड़े लाइन च लगे हैं, देख लो। अब पता नहीं कब बारी आऊगी, जब बारी आनी है पता नहीं पैसे मिलेंगे नहीं मिलेंगे, मुक्क जाएंगे, फिर दोबारा किसी और ट्राई करेंगे कहीं जाके।
तो आप छुट्टी लेके आए?
छुट्टी लेके आए हैं।
हाँ जी।
तो यहाँ कैश निकालने के लिए
और बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत आ रही है, बहुत दिक्कत आ रही है सर। सभी बैंकों में बड़ी बड़ी लाइनें लगी हुई हैं और जहाँ भी जाओ नंबर ही नहीं आता। जब नंबर आता है तो कैश खत्म होता है, लंच टाइम हो जाता है, बहुत प्रॉब्लम आ रही है।
So despite the tall claims being made by the government that cash is available at various ATMs and there are other alternative methods to do the transactions, ATMs are still dry and only the cash is available only at a few ATMs. The common man is also feeling the pinch of demonetization drive. With camera person Dilip Sahu, Manjeet Sehgal in Chandigarh for India Today.
This is one of the ATM of the posh Gandhinagar area where we will take you inside the area. This is the SBI branch, and you can see there is no movement of person. Just some officer have come, but inside there is no movement of people. We'll just take you inside the SBI. This is one of the major branch in Gandhinagar area of Jammu city. But you can see the machine ATM is temporarily out of service. That is the return, and this is another machine inside the ATM. We'll just try to see if there is something possibility to get the money, but there is no chance of getting money because the ATM is out of service. And after 3 days, the bank will be open today, and it will be rectified later on, seeing whether the money is inside the ATM or not. But the people are feeling very problem here. Ashwin Kumar for India Today in Jammu.
After 3 days of holidays, banks across the country have now reopened today, and as we are seeing in the most parts of the country that there are long queues at the banks and the ATM centers, but the situation in Patna is completely the contrary. And right now we are at the ICICI bank in Boring Road area, and here we can see that the bank has already opened. It's already 10 o'clock, but there is hardly any people inside the bank. Only 3 to 4 people who are there. The bank customers are there inside the bank, and they are doing their normal business. And as far as the ATM machines are also concerned, this is the ATM center just adjacent to the bank, and you cannot find even a single person here to withdraw money, despite there being adequate cash available at this ATM center. But there is hardly any person who is here to withdraw cash. And what the banks are also doing is that they are installing new machines also. या पैसे निकालने आए हैं? हाँ सर, पैसे निकालने आए हैं। तो पैसे तो है, लेकिन लाइन तो है ही नहीं एक भी।
सर देख रहे हैं, अब मान लो कि देख रहे हैं कि 2000 का लोग कह रहे हैं कि 2000 का नोट है। अब 2000 में हम लोग करेंगे क्या? हमको तो 100 का जरूरत है। अब 2000 क्या कर सकते हैं हम?
ये मुसीबत है, लेकिन 100-500 नहीं मिल रहा है।
नहीं सर, बहुत दिक्कत है। अब लास्ट में क्या करना पड़ेगा? अब सब्जी वाले को ही प्रॉब्लम होगा। अब देखते हैं, कार्ड लगा के कोई सब्जी वाला कार्ड सिस्टम रखता होगा तो कार्ड लगा के देखेंगे।
लेकिन 2000 मिल रहा है, थोड़ी सहूलियत होती है?
सर सहूलियत तो होती है, लेकिन चेंज नहीं हो पाती है।